Hello to all of our YouTube friends and Happy New Year. I hope 2021 is a better year for all of us. This week's feature car belongs to an old friend of ours from when we lived in the Denver area. Having a reputation for owning some amazingly clean cars over the years, when we reconnected with Ernie at the recent Scottsdale, Arizona Good Guys car show, he told us he had recently acquired a new vintage car, this beautiful 1969 Buick Skylark. We knew, even before seeing it, that it was going to be another beauty. And when you see the photos and hear the story, we're sure you'll agree. Now, let's go for a ride.
Hi, I'm Ernie Oakes. I live in Phoenix, Arizona. I have a 1969 Buick Skylark. Stumbled onto it about 3 years ago in a guy's garage. We cut a deal on it. I took it home, and I fell madly in love with it. I've had to put the Ride-Tech suspension on it. I've put AM/FM iPod radio in it and gauges. This past summer, the motor seemed to be a little tired, so we pulled the motor and trans out, went through both of them, basically all stock. And we've gone to California 3 times in it. We've gone on the Route 66, and we do local car shows, and we go out of state, go to California, anywhere we want to go, and it's just a great little cruiser. I got a call one day from a gentleman who got my name out of the Good Guys Gazette as a rep, and he only lived maybe 6 miles from me, and he said, I have a car for sale, maybe you know somebody who'd like to buy it. And I said, okay, so I drove down there. He handed me a receipt for brand new exhaust, he handed me a receipt for brand new wheels and tires. We went out in the garage, and I looked at it and said, well, I might know somebody that's looking for it, because I wasn't looking for a car. And he threw a price at me that I could not walk away from, and came back within 35 minutes, and now the Buick's mine. Basically what he did this past summer is I pulled the motor and trans out. It is a 350 with a T300. It's not a Power Glide. It's a Buick T300, which is a 2-speed automatic. We went through the motor and trans. We dropped the entire exhaust system out, painted everything underneath a black, and did the wheel wells and brake drums and everything, put the exhaust back in, did kind of a flat back in the engine compartment. We wanted to keep it as stock looking as we could. As you'll notice from the pictures, we did put on a aluminum manifold and a 4-barrel, because that originally had a 2-barrel. And through TA Performance here in Phoenix, I bought a lot of parts, and plus I bought the TA Performance cast valve covers just to dress it up a little bit, and we changed it from R12 to R134 because it's easier to find that now than it would be R12. I can't think of anything to do to it. I detail cars for fun now and then, and I just keep it clean and we drive it. You know, we'll go to the grocery store in it, we'll go to the bank in it, go to dinner in it, you know, careful where I park it, but I just have no reason to sell the car. It's just too much fun. And it's very different, because most people don't see Buick Skylarks. They see the Buick GSX, but they don't see Skylarks. So I get a lot of attention just because it's a Skylark and it's stock. The interior has never been done. It's all stock interior. The paint's an original paint. And I've done some tracing. I'm the exact third owner of the car. And the person in between took very good care of it. In fact, I asked him why he was selling it. And he says he's an on-call surgical nurse. The car has been sitting for at least 3 months. He says, I just don't have time to drive it. I just need to get rid of it. And I just happen to be a very lucky man on a very lucky day. And it was fun because we were at the pavilions here one Saturday, and all of a sudden you guys come walking up, and it's like, oh, you're down here visiting. And it's like, no, we live here now too. And I said, well, so do I. You know, so it's we have a lot of Denver people that seem to come this way when it comes to coming to Phoenix. So it's a good car town. I mean, you couldn't ask for a better town to have cars in, and 99% of the time we can drive them all year round. I know it's hot in the summer, but if you do it right, you can still drive them. Well, a year ago we went to Del Mar Good Guys. I'm a rep for Good Guys, and we went down on the beach on Thursday night, and with some friends that knew about this, and surprised my, at the time, girlfriend, now fiance, now wife, proposed to her on the beach. So Del Mar has a very soft spot in my heart. You know, I'm not afraid to pile 6 people in it and go to dinner. You know, like I said, I proposed to her at the beach in it, and it's kind of, I think if I was to try to sell it, I would probably be kicked out first, because she loves that car. In fact, she named it Betsy, and we just enjoy the car. You know, I've had a lot of hot rods over the years, and expensive ones, not expensive, But this is probably the most fun I've ever had because it's just a fun car.
Well, as promised, Ernie does have a great car, and we hope you enjoyed seeing it. He'd like to send a special thanks to Armstrong Automotive in Phoenix for assisting in the rebuild of the engine and transmission of his '69 Skylark. As always, please subscribe to our channel and hit that thumbs up button. Consider sharing it and leave a comment to let us know what you think of Ernie's magnificent Buick and our channel. We work hard to bring you quality content twice a week and appreciate everyone's support. Thanks, and be careful out there.